Expanding brackets, triple brackets with adamonlinetutoring. Here's the beginner question, one of the easiest types of questions that you're likely to find on this topic. When expanding triple brackets, do it in stages. First, multiply two brackets together, then multiply the result by the remaining bracket. It doesn't matter what order you multiply the brackets in. So I'm going to start by multiplying the first two brackets together. I'll do this using the grid method. Across the top, I'll break the first bracket up into x and positive 2, and across the side, I'll break the second bracket up into x and positive 1. Multiplying these together, x multiplied by x is x squared, x multiplied by positive 2 is positive 2x, 1 multiplied by x is plus 1x, and positive 1 times positive 2 is positive 2. Simplify by collecting like terms, and I get x squared plus 3x plus 2 from expanding the first two brackets. Next, I take the result of this and multiply it by the last bracket. Again, I'll use the grid method to do this, with a slightly larger grid, because at the top, I'll break up x squared plus 3x plus 2 into separate terms, and across the side, I'll break up the last bracket into x and positive 5. Multiplying will give me x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 5x squared plus 15x plus 10. I'll be able to collect like terms by collecting the x squared terms together and also collecting the x terms together, leaving me with a final answer of x cubed plus 8x squared plus 17x plus 10. On to the intermediate question with a slight increase in difficulty. I have x plus 3 for the first bracket, and lastly I have x minus 1 in a bracket which is being squared. This means that x minus 1 is being multiplied by itself and creates a double bracket, therefore resulting in a question which involves triple brackets. I also have the inclusion of some negatives, making this a bit more difficult. Expanding the first two brackets together using a grid, x squared plus 3x minus 1x minus 3. Collecting like terms, x squared plus 2x minus 3. Take the result of this and split it into its separate terms across the top, and multiply this by the last bracket by splitting it into x minus 1. X cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 1x squared minus 2x plus 3. Collecting like terms will give me a final answer of x cubed plus 1x squared minus 5x plus 3. The 1x squared can just be written as x squared. On to the advanced question, one of the trickiest types of questions that you're likely to find on this topic. Find an expression for the volume of the triangular prism. The way you work out the volume of a prism is to first work out the area of the cross-section. The cross-section is the face that appears throughout the whole of the prism. Because this is a triangle, I'll need to do the base multiplied by the height divided by 2. And because these are written as algebraic expressions involving two or more terms, I'll need to use brackets to multiply these together. So I'll need to start by multiplying x minus 1 by 2x minus 8. In the grid, I'll have 2x squared minus 2x minus 8x plus 8. Collecting like terms, 2x squared minus 10x plus 8. Now that I've done the base multiplied by the height, I can half this to get the area of the triangle. So dividing by 2 gives me x squared minus 5x plus 4. Once you have the area of the cross-section, you can find the volume of the prism by multiplying this area by the depth, which in this case is given as x minus 3. Again, multiplying by an algebraic expression with two or more terms will require brackets. Split x squared minus 5x plus 4 into separate terms, and this will be multiplied by the depth, which will be split into x minus 3. Multiplying will give me x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 3x squared plus 15x minus 12. Collecting like terms leaves me with a final answer of x cubed minus 8x squared plus 19x minus 12. Before you go, take a look at the solution which I've provided for a question. It appears as though I've made some mistakes. pause the video, see if you can spot what they are, and either tell me what they are or make some corrections in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found that video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. If you're struggling with maths or finding topics difficult, you can subscribe and turn on notifications to receive regular updates about new video tutorials. Don't forget to visit my website adamonlinetutoring.com for a full searchable list of all topics with exams, questions and solutions. You can also visit me on social media using the handle @AdamMathsTutor on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and Twitter. All links in the description below.